Hey, this is Samir from Stockholm Micro Soldering and Board Repair. Today we got an iPhone 7 Plus, with the microphone problem. The microphone problem, or the inspelning or the record button, it's not working. Plus, that you get the phone stuck on the Apple logo for a few minutes. Plus that you cannot use the microphone, and the recording button is not applicable or is not functional. So let's wait for the phone to start and let's prove it and proceed with the repair of this one. So the problem of this iPhone 7 Plus is the same problem, or the factory problem, that comes with the iPhone 7. When you're trying to record the sound, so you can't record any sound. It says recording unsuccessful, or inspelning misslyckades. Inga ljudenheter hittades. So, which means that it doesn't find any sound devices, and as I said, the clicking button is not functional. The last part here is key 12, and it's not applicable pad, which means it's just for holding the board. So it's not even ground, it's for holding the board. So this is the easiest, or it's a complicated way. I mean, it takes time, but this is the easiest way to put a new chip, because as we know, we have noticed that this iPhone 7 and 7 Plus for the audio chip repair, they used to come back because the Apple is using a solder that needs more heat to melt down, and while reballing the chip we use this mechanic solder paste, which used to be melted down by 300 degrees. But the solder paste on the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, it needs more heat, and it needs even like 370, between 340 370 to be melted down. So it's very important to remove the original solder before you install the new chip. Now we should start reballing the chip. While reballing the chip, it's better to remove the original solder from the chip as well. And you apply it from both different directions to make sure that you're gonna have straight paths and equal. They have the same length and the same volume. You just apply in a round way. We go down on the temperature on 280. Until you see the bubbles. Apply some flux. To make the removal easier. This is the moment of truth. Start the phone and we count how long it's gonna take to start. That's not bad. Yes. Now I think the problem is solved, but let's check it. Allo, 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 allo. I think the problem is solved. Now we have solved the microphone, or we replaced the audio IC, the audio chip, to the iPhone 7 Plus. After dropping it, you lose one of the pad, as I showed you in the schematics. So this is how to solve the iPhone 7 Plus audio IC, or the microphone not working. As you see here, now the microphone is working. Allo, allo, allo. Test, 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 test. Microphone test, microphone test. Allo, allo, allo. Test, 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 test. Microphone test, microphone test. Yeah. So the problem is solved. Thank you for watching. You have been watching Samir from Stockholm Microsoldering and Board Repair.